target right here. Definitely seems buckle-like. That's the plate, and then that's the one of the holders for the belt. Well, we're going to find out. It's just underneath this stick. Good if it's deep. There it is. Hear that? Woohoo! 22 is always good. The way that it fluctuated. It's got a bit of depth to it too. That was up and down. It's got a bit of good depth to it. It's right in here. Let's get rid of all of that. I just felt something. There it is. It feels smooth. Okay. You see that there? Oh, that looks awesome. Just reveal a little bit of it. It's circular. That is a snake buckle. Woohoo! Ha ha! Oh, cricket buckle yesterday, snake buckle now. Okay, I'm going to make the hole a bit bigger. Wow. That is awesome. Just see the head of the snake right there. Rightio. Look at that there. That is a snake buckle. It's only about 10 metres from where I picked up the cricket buckle yesterday. So this is definitely a good, it was a camping spot for the pearlers. Look at that. That is awesome. Shall we get it out of the hole? Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. Yes. Woo! And the snake appears. Look at that. Wow. He's a ripper. Beautiful snake. Very heavy too. It's a cricket snake. Oh, I've always wanted one of these. It's a cricket snake. Oh, well, that has made my day, week, month, and I think it's made my year. A cricket snake. This is the top of the bucket list when it comes to snake buckles, I reckon. A cricket snake buckle. So I've only ever seen one of these before on a metal detecting page on Facebook, and this is totally amazing. Look at the condition of that. It's hardly worn actually, where the loop goes through. That is just so beautiful. So that's the side I saw first of all, and I've seen that design before, so I thought I was pretty happy, but then flicked it over and was even happier. Wow. So this would date roughly 1870, 1880, 1890, not much after 1890. Of course, cricket buckles are all the rage in the 1850s, 1860s, 1870s. So yeah, this is possibly 150 years old and possibly been buried here, better part of 140 or so. Wow. That is so cool. I love snake buckles, especially a cricket snake buckle. So found a cricket buckle yesterday and then a cricket snake buckle today. Pretty stoked. Woof!